was too busy, but he replied in a positive way. He made a proper eye contact, given a smile, wished, and said, "Please wait for a 5 minutes." That makes the difference. Okay, so why I said that story? I said that story that yes, we are the warrior, but in the same times we are the hotelier. We have to means doing all this sort of thing, fighting with the corona, fighting with the situation, and making the industry safe. We have to ensure that we are maintaining the guest ego in the same where he expected. At least we should exceed his expectation, but at least we should keep in mind we should meet his expectation. That is very important. Okay, so anyway, stay safe and hope it is useful. The information is useful for you all. That present scenario is different, and even I can ensure and tell you that new chapter couple of years ago, the housekeeping prime job to maintain the standard and cleanliness, upkeep the property. But the new chapter, the sanitation chapter and killing the microorganism chapter is added to the housekeeping. Even after corona might go away after a couple of years, but this chapter has been added permanently to the housekeeping. And housekeeping is raising their value based on this chapter nowadays. Wherever now corona is there, now I think black fungus or something else has been added. So so all this may come, but everywhere value of housekeeping will be too much important. Means housekeeping will get value 100% anytime, anywhere. That is the thing, because corona might not be there, but the chapter what all adding to us, that will remain continue for a future long. Okay, so nowadays keep in mind that all the first of all career endeavors, go ahead, take the thing in positive way, feel pride that those who will select will select their profession in housekeeping, feel pride that you are in a path of housekeeping where you has to make yourself safe. You will ensure that the others also are safe. Okay, so housekeeping is rocking in that part, I would say, and very important nowadays, as the same important in the market nowadays for the doctor, nurses, and all. The housekeeping also one of the professional way is getting more important in the market. And best of luck for the everybody, and especially those who will choose their housekeeping profession, because always feel you should feel pride that you are in housekeeping professional. You are maintaining yourself and keeping yourself safe, as well you are keeping others safe. Okay, so have a good day.
Sir, before,
Nice.
Thank you, sir.
sorry to interrupt.
Thank you so much. Is there any queries? Please
Actually, there are few questions.
Yes, yes, please.
First of all, thank you so much for giving your time.
Thank you so much, sir.
So even I was listening, and a few students even are texting in the personal window that it's a very informative session, including the what are the precautionary measures you guys are taking in a hotel. As you say, mentioned that the housekeeping are the frontline warriors. Even I do believe that. So based on
Thank you so much.
so based on that, sir, I received few questions from the student.
Yes, please.
I will be putting forward to you one by one. So
Please.
like few of the students, who are interested to make or build their career in their housekeeping department. So being as an executive housekeeper, what you all look into them,
No,
or
no,
what,
pardon, please, sir. Your voice was breaking at the initial. Pardon, please.
as like few of the students are
Yes, sir.
interested to make their career in the housekeeping department.
Okay.
So being as on the top of the housekeeping department, what suggestions would you like to give to our students, and what are the criteria and the qualities you look into them?
Yes, the initial thing. So actually, that I would first of all I would say that the bookish knowledge is obviously important, but practical knowledge is something different. So once you will get into the industry, you has to fill that interest of work. One thing. Second thing, you're very initially while you are initially stepping into the industry, you should carry only one thing, that is your positive attitude. If your positive attitude is there, the you will get that platform to do the work and face the work by your hand, and you will get that platform to means handle the work accordingly. You will be as a student at that time also, where means like a baby, you will be there. The as a student, means the whoever will be the manager at that time will first note your this thing, what it's called positive attitude. If it is there, he and she will be taken care accordingly, and that is your first step should be to means grow in the housekeeping department. See that the practical knowledge will obviously it will come automatically. Once you will be in department, you will be in workplace, you will do your work accordingly, so automatically the practice will make the people perfect. Slowly you will learn everything. But if you will have that positive attitude, you will be taken care accordingly. That is more important, I would say.
So second question I would like to put across, like the department totally that this department and the hotel totally believes in the teamwork. What are your views on this, and what do you think that teamwork, or why do you think the teamwork is very much important in this profession?
Deep work.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Yes.
Yes, teamwork is very much important because to a friend, if since I'm a manager, executive housekeeper, manager housekeeping, I'm heading the housekeeping department. Without team, I cannot make my dream success. I cannot make my department strong to stronger, stronger to strongest. So the steam work is very important. I can give a small example. You means since they are in the stage of learning, example is the better way to the means thing to understand. So it's like I would say, suppose we want to beat a person. If we will beat a single finger, it will not affect. But if we will make it like this as a punch and we will punch him, might that person will get hospitalized. That is actually like example I can say. As well as teamwork, if it is there and that positiveness of teamwork will be noticed within you, again you will be proving that as a positive attitude, interrelated. So again you will be taken care according. So all this positiveness should be there within you, and you should be very strong physically, mentally. That is more important in the housekeeping job. As Anand sir also is a professional housekeeping professional, I think sir knows better than me also all these factors.
Yes, sir. One more question I would like to put across.
Please, please.
Now the hotel is doing advancement and taking one more step further in the in technology. What are the new technology has been adopted in the housekeeping department?
Housekeeping new technology in the term of serving the guest and the term of cleanliness or in the term of standardize the thing or upkeep the thing. So that is the see the cleanliness way. The lot of machineries has came. So a couple of years before, those machineries were not available in the market. So nowadays, all these are became mandatory to the industry. So like I would like to say that machine name, what is called this ULV machine, so-called. You can catch that is a couple of years before it was not there in the market. Might be there, but housekeeping professional was nowhere related in that. So now to since cleanliness and sanitation got merged to each other, that is became mandatory, and that new technical or new machine adopted in the housekeeping department. And now I'm going to the one more this thing in the guest chapter to make the guest happy, all this. So might a couple of years before, the things were not getting importance, or the things were not came to the management mind. So nowadays the things are literally into that. If the guest, we will make the guest surprise and delight. To make a guest surprise and delight, housekeeping also it takes a major role. So surprise and delight, in the sense guest is having birthday. Might the guest is too busy, he is forget his birthday, even he is thinking he is far away. If he is remember also, he is might thinking that I am staying far away from my home, no family, nobody is here to celebrate. And that sort of thing, so many times means we are doing what we are doing means, once guest is gone out for the office, we are decorating the guest room with the balloon, making happy birthday, and that is mandatory to ensure the guest name is there. So even we are trying to call the guest with the name, because obviously it gives a pride to a guest. If I gone to a hotel, I don't know the person, and person is calling me, "Hi, Mr. Abhishek, how are you?" So I'll be surprised, and it's a wow factor for me that how the person knows my name. So it's a create a very good image to the hotel services, hotel management. So all these are very important, I would say, as a means as a new technique, and to make a guest delight and happy, and makes a wow to the guest.
Thank you, sir. And the last question which I would like to put across to you.
Please.
As we know that Accor is one of the renowned company when it comes to the hotel industry. And many of our students dream to work in such a renowned property in Accor Group. So what the question is, like if they want to join to Accor, what Accor is looking into the candidate, and what are the advantage of working with the Accor? Could you brief on this?
Yes, sure. As we know, Accor is a very big international group, and means it's in India itself has a lot of branches of Accor. So Accor, first I would say, at the time of joining, they will go for the first 3 days introduction. In that introduction itself, where the learning and development manager of here, she will take, Miss Gorima, she will take that introduction for the 3 days, nearly per day 8 hours. So in that 8 hours, so 3 days she will take. After the day end, she will take the exam also. So actually that classes is very interesting. So where the she will be very transparent about the information about the Accor and Accor privileges. We are we have a logo called as a All Safe. So she will explain one day, almost one day she will take about that thing also. So there itself, in that 3 days itself, we can well learn about the Accor. And now I would like to share what is the profit, means what is the career growth will happen if someone will start the career with the Aker. So first of all, Aker is a international group which makes the profile weighting. And the second thing is Aker is very concerned about the employee growth also. Here itself, I seen lot of people have started their career with the Aker and proved themselves during their work, and they got promotion even in 6 months of their work period also. That sort of record also here people has. In that 6 months, the people exposed himself through the work way in such a way and positive side way that management, where the means here the unity management is following every year for increment and promotion, whereas certain person are there, they got within the 6 months because of their hard work, smart work, and their positivity. So, and one more thing, if you are in Aker, you are eligible to take transfer wherever the flush out will happen. Suppose, as a best example is myself itself. I am from Northeast, as you know. So there is a Guwahati, one Novodal is there, 5-star. So actually, I am waiting for that chance. So once that flush out will happen, vacancy flush out, so it will go to all Aker this thing to the HR mail ID. So and HR is responsible to be means to be informed to all the employee regarding that flush out, and interested candidate immediately through the HR can apply. So immediately we can shift to our hometown. That's a great opportunity. If the people has more potentiality, may have the good increment at the time of transfer, and may have the good designation achieved also at the time of transfer. That is one more great thing in the Aker. And anyway, guest side, Aker has a fixed business called as the Aker membership. So nearly crore of people worldwide has taken that Aker business, means they attached with the involved with that Aker business. They to purchase that Aker membership card, and in that Aker membership card throughout the year, means in a year if 3 days, 3 months or 4 months will have that lockdown also. It nowhere in revenue generation part in a central based wise it will not affect it 100%, because Aker has that fixed business from their members, and lots of people has that membership card. So that's one more great thing. So obviously if guest business is there, company can take care of our employee also. That is a big plus point of the Aker. It's a, if those who are interested to join in Aker, I would say it's a very great decision and great way of future growth they're making. So it's a great thing.
And actually, we have a lot of curiosity from the students when they are interacting with you. So quickly, 2 messages has been popped out in the windows. So yes. I request you again to kindly resolve. So the first question is from Anjit Chaudhary. He asked, how can we get control over WHS, workplace health and safety risk, which are nowadays very common and faced in housekeeping? So how we are getting how we can control over that?
We can control. See, it's a simple word I would say. If we are make our aim successfully per day wise, we will have some target. At the time we will get into the duty, obviously we will have some duty allocation. If we will do that perfectly and with the proper protocol and proper way, and we will record it accordingly, the same way obviously we can control this thing. Nothing else to say.
Very simple. And even I guess you have in the previous you have stated also that how you are disposing of the garbage and how you are taking care of the guests, especially those who are symptomatic and those who are even the asymptomatic.
Yes,
So
yes.
even that also is a good thing which the hotels are taking into the consideration.
Yes, yes.
And even now, even
Because certain people as particularly allocated with that job. In that prime factor, we cannot march the people here to there. So if the people is to handle the certain guest rooms like observation room, symptomatic room,